You've planned a flawless radiant heat floor install, but one overlooked detail could ruin it all: moisture. Radiant heat systems depend on stability, but excess moisture in the subfloor can cause floor coverings to fail. Once heat is applied, the damage can escalate fast. That's why accurate moisture testing before installation isn't optional, it's essential. When it comes to moisture testing, you will either encounter concrete subfloors or wooden subfloors. When testing concrete subfloors, the RapidRH L6 Smart sensors are the gold standard for moisture testing. Concrete holds moisture deep within the slab, and the only way it will escape is by moving up. Your only way to detect this moisture is with the RapidRH L6. To test the moisture content of wood subfloors, use a moisture meter such as the Orion 950. Before installation, the 950 allows you to measure the subfloor quickly and accurately without any damage. Also, ensure the underside of the subfloor is adequately insulated to minimize heat loss when the project is complete. If your wood subfloor holds excess moisture, it will easily transfer those conditions to your radiant floors, and we all know a heated floor is too expensive to let moisture go unchecked. Unfortunately, moisture levels can fluctuate over time even when prior testing has been conducted. This is where a FloorSentry embedded wood floor data logger comes into play. This low-profile, card-sized device is embedded below the wood floors, continuously monitoring both ambient and subfloor relative humidity and temperature, providing real-time data and custom alerts to warn you of potential moisture risk. FloorSentry, when paired with the Orion 950 or RapidRH, becomes a 1-2 punch to ward off unwanted moisture seeping into your heated floors. At the end of the day, radiant heated floors elevate a space, but they require maintenance. As with any flooring installation, test before installation and always monitor the conditions afterwards. For more information on investing in the proper tools to protect your floors from moisture damage, visit wagnermeters.com.